How to activate call forwarding on your Android phone. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your phone application, then tap on this three dot. Now go to settings. After that, go to supplementary settings. You will have to insert a SIM card. In my case, I do not have a SIM card inserted in this device, but I will show you what to do. Then go to call forwarding. If you have your SIM card ready, you will get these options: always forward, forward when busy, forward when unanswered, and forward when unreachable. This is the options in my Samsung phone. So yeah, you can select any of these options, and then you will be able to enable call forwarding on your Android phone. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.